What's up mga pards? Another day, another vlog. This is Biyaherong Bong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga pards, it's another unboxing vlog. But before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please like, share, and comment down below if you have questions. So for today's video mga pards, we will be unboxing a new Apple product. So for today's video mga pards, it's a Airpods 3rd generation unboxing. So let's go, mag-unbox na tayo.
Uno, dos, tres.
So ayun na nga mga parts, for today's video we will be unboxing the AirPods 3rd generation lightning charge. And to give you a brief backstory lang mga parts, I'm using a AirPods 2nd generation but sobrang tagal na niya. I think it's more than more or less 2 to 3 years. And halos every day or every other day ko siya ginagamit kasi ginagamit ko talaga siya pang workout. And gusto natin mag-upgrade. But for today, I also want to share with you kung paano nyo i-upgrade yung inyong Apple Airpods to the new generation. Because yun nga, meron akong 2nd gen and gusto ko sana siyang i-upgrade. Medyo, syempre katagalan usually yung Apple products or yung mga gadgets naman natin, nagde-deteriorate yung battery. So gusto ko na mas mahaba yung battery life niya, kaya gusto ko mag-upgrade to 3rd gen. So what I did is that I trade in my 2nd generation AirPods to Apple or Power Mac with the new or the 3rd generation AirPods. So later on mga parts, after our unboxing, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano and magkano magiging value ng inyong AirPods or lumang AirPods just in case you want to trade in. Okay? So eto na nga mga parts, syempre ito yung paper bag ni Power Mac. And tada! Ito na ang bago nating AirPods mga parts. So what's good about Apple mga parts and all Apple products is that yung packaging niya, it's very clean. And usually what you see in the package or packaging is the real or life size nung item that you purchased. Like for this example, yung AirPods 3rd gen, ganito talaga siya kalaki. So ayan yung box niya and i-unbox na natin. So just in case you'll be planning to buy an AirPods 3rd generation with lightning charging case, by the way mga parts, dalawa kasi siya, meron siya ng MagSafe charging, but ako naman I thought that hindi na siya masyadong necessary for me kasi mabilis lang naman tong mag-charge at saka wala din naman akong gadgets that is requiring MagSafe or magnetic charging. So for this one, kinuha ko yung lightning. Medyo malaki din yung difference niya, around 2,000 pesos. So kaya okay na ako dito kasi nga I think it will serve its purpose. So yan. By the way mga parts, mayroon din akong Apple iPhone 15 unboxing. So if you're interested, also check my channel. And this one mga parts, kung makita nyo, it's 11,990. So 12,000 pesos siya. And later on mga parts, sasabihin ko sa inyo magkano yung nabawas or na discount when I trade in my Apple AirPods 2nd generation. So yan. Ooh. So ayan yung itsura niya sa loob. Meron siya ditong parang manual AirPods, just the usual or Apple inclusions or yung mga manuals niya. Ayan. So sabi dito, charging AirPods, lightning, ayan. So meron din siya kasama, I think cable. Ayan. Madali namang mag-connect usually ng mga Apple products. Usually if you're using already the iPhone. And then also, taran! It's here! It's here. Taran! Eto na siya mga parts. Okay. It's actually smaller than the second generation. Yung second generation mga parts is a little bit higher than this and a little bit slimmer kasi medyo pahaba siya. So ito naman is very flat and very small. Magaan lang din siya. So syempre, let's unboxing. Ayan. And also on the sides. Wow! Ang ganda talaga ng Apple mga parts. It's so clean and it's so sleek and classic. So white yung itsura niya, and ayan, meron siya ditong label sa likod. By the way mga parts, marami din kasi mga imitations, and wow, look at that. Oh. So yung difference mga parts, kung nakita nyo, nandito yung ilaw. Yung sa second generation, nandito yung light indicator niya. So ito na sa labas. And ganito na yung tsura niya. Wow. So nice. So ayan mga parts, excited tayong gamitin itong bago nating AirPods 3rd Gen. And ito na siya, maliit lang siya. Ito yung speaker niya, andito din I think yung mga sensor. And syempre ano din to touch command. So pag sinuot yung ganyan, itatouch nyo siya, one click to play, I think double click to pause, and yung next and left and right naman is for going to the next sound or next channel. Ayan, and nandito rin yung lightning charging niya. Also included in the box mga parts is the lightning wire or charging lightning wire. So, hindi na siya USB type mga parts. Lightning and I think USB-C yung tawag dito. But at least, ang maganda, meron na din siyang kasamang authentic or original cable. Wow. So, yun. Okay, so yun mga parts, and ikikwento ko na sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginawa or paano ako nag-upgrade from the second generation to the third generation. Actually mga parts, punta lang kayo ng Power Mac, any Power Mac. I'm not sure lang kung kailan, until when maglalast yung kanilang promo na pwede kayo mag-trade in, but if you go there, you don't need to bring your receipt. Just bring your unit, kahit ito lang, even without the box, and then they will process your AirPods and will validate kung this is a legit or authenticate or i-authenticate nila yung AirPods nyo. Like for me, I have this AirPods purchased in a festival Alabang, kasi nga nandito na ako sa Alabang. So by the way mga parts, yung aking condo vlog, if you're not if you still haven't seen it, I'll post the link below just in case you're interested sa aking condo vlog unboxing. And ayun nga, going back sa festival, Power Mac kasi may katabi siyang Mac or Apple Center. So pumunta lang ako doon, dinala ko lang yung AirPods ko. They instructed me to have it authenticated sa katabing yun nga, yung Apple Center. And then mabilis lang actually din yung authentication, wala pa mga 10 minutes. Kukunin, depende kung walang tao, kukunin nila yung unit mo, check nila if there are issues, if there are it's functioning well. Titingnan nila kung authentic Apple product siya, and bibigyan nila kayo ng paper to present sa Power Mac, and then Power Mac will process kung ano na yung gusto nyong trade in or upgrade to your AirPods. But in that process or in that route, you need to pay your AirPods via cash basis or straight payment kasi nga hindi siya mag-a-apply dun sa installment kasi kailangan cash mo siyang bayaran or straight payment using your card. And then yung na-deduct doon sa aking payment is around 1,200. Yes mga parts, it's a little bit slow, but if you are really planning to have an upgrade, then I think it's a better option. Anyway, if your AirPods is still okay, like for my case, it's the battery life is actually not that well na, so kaya I opted to upgrade my AirPods to the new generation. So ganun lang siya kabilis, siguro in less than 30 minutes, in less than hours, you'll have a new AirPods upgraded to the generation that you want. So yun. So, there you have it mga parts. Tapos na naman ang ating quick unboxing vlog featuring ating AirPods 3rd generation. And if you haven't checked my YouTube channel mga parts, marami din ako mga unboxing vlog, travel vlogs, and kaya din ako bumili nito. I'm excited to use the new AirPods to my next travel vlog and my gym destination. So, watch out for that. Kaya mag-subscribe ka na parts kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Please like, share, and comment down below if you have questions. So, hanggang sa muli mga parts, hanggang sa mga susunod kong YouTube videos, stay safe and healthy. Bye!